So recently I haven't put out as much videos as I like. One, we had a trip to Grand Bend, so that kind of took up a lot of family time. I did the interstellar spaceship. The other thing I've been working on is our new recording studio. This is our current studio, kind of in progress. So as you can see, I got walls up, recording booth, piano for Jean when she's playing, and we got drums in the corner, guitar, and a few other things. So we're not finished yet. I still got the ceiling to do. So because of that and the Grand Bend trip, I've been slacking on Lego. So I came down here to see what I can do, and be quite honest, things are a bit disastrous. So with all the moving around and building we've done, Lego City's taken a bit of a hit. My build table is just a complete and utter disaster right now. We got other stuff all moved around, so before I can do anything down here, I gotta clean up. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get Joey here to pick a set and build it. So Joey,
Yes.
let's go pick a set.
Okay.
So Joey, what set are you gonna pick today?
I'm gonna pick the police helicopter chase. This set.
Set number 60243 at 212 pieces. Let's have at her. All right, Joey, so why don't you tell us about the set you're going to build while I'm down there reorganizing and cleaning up some of the disaster I made down there.
So this is a police helicopter, and it is currently in a chase with people who have robbed looks like the jewelry store. And what I find neat about this is that I think this is our first set that we've ever had with a magnet in there. So basically, there's a magnet on the helicopter attached to the chains, and it can pick up the jewelry in the container connected to the truck. And it comes with a police pilot, 2 bandits, the police HEV, and a motorcycle, and a criminal motorcycle, and obviously the helicopter. So I cannot wait to build this and see how the magnet works. Alright, JJ Builders, so I just finished building the helicopter police chase. So let's start a review on this thing. So obviously, first of all, we have our Lego spare pieces over there. Not a lot, just some extra jewels, handcuffs, and human accessories. We have 3 instruction books, and it came with 3 bags, so 1 bag per instruction book. And starting off with the criminal motorcycle guy, we have looks like a bandit type of guy with a money symbol on his back, which does seem pretty cool. The motorcycle style is pretty cool. It seems new to me. I haven't seen one like this yet, so it's pretty cool. And that was when he was riding with the truck. Next, we have the police ATV here. We have a regular ATV. I like the ones where you can like lean it and then it turns automatically. But this is an older set, so it didn't come with that feature yet. But it's pretty cool, and it has a hook back there for the handcuffs to go in. And last but not least, we have our Lego criminal who's partnered up with the other guy, and she stole this truck full of jewelry in the back. So I believe it is this one. Yeah, that one where you store the jewelry, and the other one is for any extra pieces or jewelry you might want to put there. And what's cool about this, well, let's get to the helicopter first. So we have the helicopter here, which propellers here, and the propeller here. There's handcuffs on this side, a megaphone on that side. It's decently small, but it's pretty good. And then you take this off. There's a seat for 2 people in the helicopter. And I like how the control panel is not printed. I mean, it's not stickered, it's printed. So that's cool. And then if we put this back on and we lift this up in the air, what's cool about this is this yellow part here and this part here are both magnetic. So we just lower it down there, put it there, and we can fly away with the Sloan vehicle. So that's pretty cool. I haven't seen a set with a magnet other than this one, so that's really amazing and it's very satisfying. So yeah. So this set is a good set. Obviously, it'll be added to our police station, as we don't have a lot of helicopters yet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and comment your ideas or opinion on this set. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.